Hi guys! In this video, we will ride a historic tram and explore a hip neighborhood here in Rio de Janeiro. Let's go! Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today, we are going to one of Rio de Janeiro's most charming and historic neighborhoods, the Santa Teresa. But in order to go there, we are hopping on one of the city's most iconic rides, the Santa Teresa tram. Let's go! In order to ride the Santa Teresa tram, we went to the Carioca station in downtown Rio. This tram has been chattering through the narrow winding streets of Santa Teresa since 1877. It is one of the oldest street railways in Latin America and still going strong. But it was closed for a few years after an accident in 2011. But it is back, and it is a must-do if you are here in Rio de Janeiro. You don't need a reservation to ride this tram, but try to come early, especially in the weekends as it gets packed. And the ride is short, about 15 to 20 minutes, but you get a front row seat to some of the best views here in Rio. From colonial buildings to street arts, and even a glimpse of the Lapa Arches, this little journey is packed with beauty and history. This is definitely one ride that is not to be missed if you are here in Rio de Janeiro. After the amazing tram ride, we now arrive at the Santa Teresa neighborhood. This neighborhood is perfect for strolling, grabbing a coffee, or checking out some cool galleries and local shops. And if you are looking for bohemian vibes, colonial architecture, and breathtaking views, this is the place for you. Santa Teresa is known as Rio's Bohemian Heart, full of artists and musicians. And it is located on a hill right above the downtown area of Rio de Janeiro. It is like stepping back in time. Cobblestone streets, vintage trams, and colorful buildings all around. Every corner has a story, every wall a piece of art. Santa Teresa is that kind of place that surprises you, full of charm, soul, and stories. So if ever you are in Rio de Janeiro, make sure to give yourself a full day to explore this hidden gem. Alright, that's it for today's adventure. From the once-in-a-lifetime tram ride to the charming streets of Santa Teresa, it gives you a real taste of Rio's soul. And if ever you like this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel stories from Brazil and beyond. See you in the next video. Ciao!